Hello and welcome to Bladefixers plasterboard fixings. Today we're going to show you our larger guide hole. The first screw goes in here. First bend starts here. But first of all we need to cut a slot. Using either the tip of the Bladefixers or a Stanley knife, cut a slot in a 45-degree downward angle. Begin to bend the blade fixer at the horizontal slot and bend it around your finger until you achieve this shape. Bend and snap off at this line if you want to reduce the size of the visible front section. Now, using the tip of the blade fixer, push it through the slot, following the angle of the cut. Only the screw holes should be visible on the front of the plasterboard. Aim the first screw at the biggest hole. It's important to drive the first screw in straight. This ensures the screw picks up the back of the blade fixers. Now we may add the second screw. For the second screw, it's important to follow the line of the first screw. Job done. Blade fixers can be used on plasterboard, insulated plasterboard, double boards, lath and plaster, hollow core doors and many other sheet materials. Independent tests have shown blade fixers can hold up to a maximum of 245 kilograms on a wall and 80 kilograms on a ceiling. To see more install and test videos, find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. Blade Fixers, simple, strong and versatile.